Okay, it's Saturday. So today I am finishing up separating the Press On Nails website. Well, the Press On Nails from my Glam Goodies website. I think my shirt's on backwards. No, maybe it's not. If it is, I wore it backwards all day. The Press On Nails from my Glam Goodies website over to my its own website, right? Because it was getting lost in the sauce. I have Square and I've had Square for a long time. So I am going to use the Square site that they give you. I am going to add the branding though. Yeah, I am going to add the branding because don't go half. Let's go all in. And with that branding, I will. That's my train of thought. With that branding, I will make it so it's easier for people to find me and stuff. Now, the only thing that I'm having an issue with is the variations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this and I am going to email customer service. And you're probably thinking like, but why are you going to email customer service? Well, I'm going to email customer service to ask them exactly, can I do bundles? And if I like what I need to do and how I need to set it up. So I don't be sitting on stuff trying to figure out like, oh, I don't know that, and then I quit. No. I am going to email these people and get some help. Why? Because it's not difficult. They already know what to do. And I'm a customer. I use the service. I'm a customer. So, as a customer, I'm going to email them. And it's going to be simple. What I want to do is I sell a sizing kit where they can pick more than one option, right? So, it's called the sizing kit bundle where they can pick 3 different size nails. So, they can get almonds, stilettos, and short square if they want. And then with that, it'll make it easier for them to figure out which size they want. It's $25 and it's free shipping because I really want them to get technically 3 sets, and the more options they have, sometimes the easier it is for them to make an order. So I looked on YouTube first, trying to see if there's a way to do variations. On Shopify, I had to get an extra app to do it. And so I don't know if that's how it works with Square because I haven't done Square for my personal nails since the pandemic. And you've probably seen me post some other videos on how to soak off your acrylics, how to do your press-ons, and this, that, like how to measure your fingernails, and how to apply your press-ons, and how to do polish strips and stuff. Because you can link those videos to the Square website, so I can do all the application videos there, and it's housed there. It's easy. Well, you link it, and they can still watch it on my website, which makes it easy for people who are like, oh, I don't know if I can do this. So, like I was saying yesterday, when I talked to the coach, she was saying there is no clear path for the customer to follow. So, say if it's a new person that's never been on my website before and they never ordered press-on nails before, I kind of pretty much just have everything on there, and it's like they have to find their own way. Me separating it and putting it on the Square website is I'm going to create a find your own way. Also, this is 2 different type of clients, right? My Glam Goodies website is really for nail techs buying stuff. It's not that much really. It's not really for customers buying press-on nails. Like, you can have it together, but in actuality, all this should be separate. My Instagrams are separate. I was just being cheap with the website. I really just got started on this at like 4 o'clock. Yesterday I ate something crazy, and let's just say I'm too old. I can't be eating cheese. I almost died, I feel like. Probably not, but it was definitely feeling like I was hanging on by a thread. So, because I just pretty much just rested like the whole day. Me and Rufus went out a few times, our normal times or whatever. But other than that, I just laid down, surfed the internet, did some research, but like faded in and out of sleep for like 6-7 hours. It was awesome. Even more cementing the fact that I like having free time to do something or nothing. So yeah, Also, remember I was talking about my salon lease is up in October of 2025 this year. So that means I have just right around 10 months in order to get it together. And I was like racking my brain, like, oh no, when the time is up, and where would all that stuff go? Because I really don't want to be in the salon suite. It's not necessary. Also, the salon suite, I can't get in there any earlier than 7 a.m. and you have to be out by 11 because they do have an alarm. And I cannot bring the dog. So sometimes if I could just bring Rufus with me, because I do walk him in the middle of the day at noon, if I can bring him, he's making noise. If I can bring him with me, then I don't really have to have a big break in the day to hop in the car, drive to my house, walk him, and then hop back in the car and drive back to work. Sometimes I feel like it messes with my creativity, or I just need to change my mind around that. But there are some little, like, I guess you can call them like warehouse spots here. And it's not that far from where I live. So I'm gonna start like vetting those little spots. Some of them just have like motive like storefronts where they do like car repairs, but some of them they selling products. So I was thinking, one, I can have a physical store with the stuff. Two, you could also teach classes in there. Three, I can make the press. I don't want to bring all that press on stuff like my nail room. Oh, I will do a nail room video next week. We'll do that next week. My nail room, it's so much stuff. It cannot physically come to my apartment unless I had a 3-bedroom apartment or unless I buy a house. Also, I don't want to have that stuff at my house. There's a thing that I do when working where I don't quit, i.e., where I want to have the dog with me, right? So since I don't quit, having all of that stuff here would definitely overstimulate me to the point where I am going to be working too much, which is unnecessary because the whole point of the 10 months is setting stuff up. So that option is there because I was like, oh, I'm worried about it. But then I was thinking, like, why are you worried about it? You've got so much time to figure it out. And it's really because my lease renewal for my apartment and my lease renewal for the salon suite do not coincide. My lease renewal for my apartment is March, this coming March. So I signed back up for 12 months, which means I wouldn't be out of here to a 3-bedroom until March. This apartment building doesn't have 3 bedrooms, only got 1s or 2s. It don't even have 3 bedrooms with bonuses. So yeah, that salon rent is like, it's $285. I think it's $285. Yeah. So the salon rent is $1140. In total in rent, what I pay between my apartment and the salon is $3140 in rent. $3,140 in rent. Probably be cheaper to get a house, but I do want to keep those things separate. And I don't want to be trying to worry about like cutting the grass, getting the grass cut at a house and all that jazz. Like, I don't care. So no. Yeah. So pretty much this morning was like chilling. But even though we was chilling, the only thing I really didn't get done is like the stickers, which I can't talk to those people till like Monday anyway, so I can do that tomorrow. The other emails are sent. We got not Pinterest. We got Instagrams shared. We sold 2 courses today. I was supposed to do the final week banner. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Final week banner for my sales. I get my hair done tomorrow. We didn't have any physical orders that we need to send out. It was just digital products that sold out today. So that was great. And even started at 4, I still got a lot more done. Well, a lot done because like all those emails done. I still need to make the first quarter guidebook for my membership peoples, right? Because I want to give them like more of something that they can follow, and then I'm going to give them all the class dates for the first quarter. So the Mondays that we will be on, because I only do that twice a month. So the Mondays that we will be on, and then I also need to start working on getting 7 more people at least, because I do want to up that, because it's really fun. It's really fun though. Like, they need help. I didn't really realize how much stuff I do know, business related, until like people ask me stuff, and I'm like, but why would you do that? So I did have a young lady hit me up on TikTok, and she was saying, "Oh, it looks like you've been in the industry for a while. I wanted to write a book." And I was like, "Okay, cool." She's like, "Well, how do I get started?" I said, "What problem are you going to solve?" "Well, I can write one about product lifting." "Okay, you can write one about product lifting. Is anybody looking for that?" It don't make no sense to start or write a product or get something together if nobody's looking for it. So, because that's a waste of time. You're going to have a difficult time selling it, because that's not a solution that somebody needs solved via an ebook. They can take a class. So my suggestion to her was, look at different Facebook groups and see what people are having problems with. Look at different Reddit groups and see what the girls are saying about XYZ. Ooh, I got an idea. Ooh, I just got an idea. Hold on one second. Right. So, see what they're talking about. What's the common issue that they are having? Like, yeah, lifting is an issue. More than often than not, the solution is prep. The solution is also using a full system, not splitting it up and saying, "I'm using this from this person and this from that person and this from that." Well, it all says the same thing, like, bro. But products have something that's called like they have a formula consistency, right? And that formula is designed to work with every single thing in the line. So while you can mix stuff at the most basic level, especially if you're not a product chemist, you should not. That's it. So, yeah. I did recap the week. Did pretty good. First week out the year. So not bad. Not bad in the store either for the first few days of the store. Like, yeah, okay. I filled out the intake form for the coach, so that is happening in February. So I just need to look for flights for that, and need to book for the dog to put in kennel. And yeah, it's gonna be a epic 2025. Like, I literally cannot even wait. I also got to talk to one of my friends I haven't talked to in forever, just because she's been busy and her husband passed. And it's difficult when somebody passes. My brother passed, and sometimes I just be like, my favorite person is gone. I really want to call him, but you can't. Like, I mean, you could, but you really don't talk back. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is, it just takes a while to function without that person. So I just text her random. I don't be trying to, like, keep her on the phone, because I already know. I don't want to stay on the phone reminiscing about some stuff with somebody I can't go talk to later. I don't want to do it. But I did get to talk to her, and she got like a new opportunity, so that's great. I like hearing that my friends are like doing something and like they're enjoying. Don't want to say the change, or just like the possibilities, because I feel like life is all about possibilities anyway. And if people are not excited about the possibilities, I feel it just seems like that's why you don't never get any great opportunities, because you're not excited about those opportunities and the possibilities they can turn into. Tomorrow is hair. I should have went and did the shelf today, but like I said, I wasn't feeling good. Like bro, I was feeling terrible. Like, there's literally, I have to leave cheese alone. It tried to take me out. Mozzarella. I was eating it off a charcuterie board. No go. All bad. I feel lighter though, so that's not that bad. So, great end of the week. Great end to the week. Saturday's like the end, right? Sunday's the beginning. Great end to the week. Got a lot of things done. I do have some homework from my coach from our Thursday session. So I will get to that tomorrow. This is my longer week, but it's gonna be great. So that just means I'm working from Wednesday to Friday, so I don't have the Tuesday off this week because I have my hairstylist clients. They come on Tuesday. What else? Yeah, everything is going through. I'm gonna schedule some more reels tomorrow because I do like to have at least one reel a day every single day. That it works. I reach so many people just having one a day every single day. I'm still really pushing Valentine's, nail art and stuff like that. So I have Valentine's focused nail art reels recycled from like 2 or 3 years ago. And the stencil bundle, I'll probably do another one next week that's showing all the stencils that come in that Valentine's stencil bundle with the course because it's like 47. Those emails went out. I haven't had any sales for the Valentine's course just yet, which is fine. We still got time. It's only the 4th, the 5th. Oh, the 4th, I need to pay Verizon. It's only the 4th. I like to pay everybody on time. And I should have paid them earlier. I didn't know it was the 4th. I thought it was the 3rd. Yeah, it's only the 4th, so we still got a lot of time in the grand scheme of things. I was just trying to get everything done beforehand, even with the stickers, because there is a significant amount of time. Like with everything else being already taken care of, that is the plus of the giant. This is what I'm talking about when I say this back here is a giant Post-it note that I bought from Office Depot, and I got January, February, March on there, and the things that I want to do for January, February, March. Cool. And so just having like the high level overview, and then I just do arrows like, oh, okay, I need to make sure I got emails, I need to make sure I got ads, I need to make sure I got like everything I need to have for it, and then start knocking it down. So since we have that done, I do want to do some stuff for Black History, because why not, obviously. And I do have a stencil bundle for that, and for that I'll probably just retail the stencil bundle, and hopefully get some stickers done too for that too. So I think all in all, it was a really great Saturday. Even like spending half of it just laying down, it was great. I'm about to do some dishes, take the dog out one more time, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, back to sleep. All right. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we will definitely recap tomorrow because tomorrow's a Sunday. We got a lot of things we're going to take care of, but also we're still going to put some rest in there because it is the weekend and I'm doing better with doing the rest. And maybe by Monday, Square customer service will be back with me as far as what I need to do and like how I can tweak it. All right. Bye.